If Krita is showing error code 2, don't worry, because this usually means something small has gone wrong with an external tool, a render command, or a plugin setup issue. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes for Krita error code 2, including animation rendering problems with FFmpeg and setup issues with the AI Diffusion plugin. This should help you get back to working smoothly without wasting time guessing. Before we jump in, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it helps to understand what error code 2 actually means. In most cases, it refers to a process exiting with code 2, which usually points to invalid options, bad syntax, or a missing dependency. So instead of thinking of it as a Krita crash, think of it as a command or tool inside Krita failing to run properly. If you're seeing this error while rendering an animation, the first thing to check is your video export settings. Open the render animation window in Krita. Look for the video encoder settings and change the container from MP4 to MKV. In many cases, that simple switch can fix export problems related to FFmpeg. Also, if you're trying to upscale, downscale, or change the frame rate during export, try using the default video resolution, such as 1920 by 1080. Using unusual or mismatched export settings can sometimes cause the render process to fail and return code 2. Keeping the export settings simple is often the fastest way to get a successful render. Now, if the error happens while using the AI Diffusion plugin, the issue is usually different. In that case, it often means Python's package manager, or pip, failed to install one of the required components. This can happen during setup when the plugin is downloading large files or building its environment. One very common cause is running out of storage space. The AI Diffusion plugin downloads very large files, often several gigabytes, and if your drive gets too low on space during the process, the setup can fail instantly with exit code 2. To avoid this, make sure you have at least 15 gigabytes of free space before trying again. If you already hit the error, the next fix is to completely purge the broken Python environment. First, close Krita fully so nothing is still running in the background. Then, open your Krita resource folder and look for the AI Diffusion environment. On many systems, this will be inside your user app data roaming Krita folder under AI_diffusion. Inside that folder, look for a directory named AI_diffusion or miniconda. Delete that specific environment folder only. This removes the corrupted installation files without deleting your entire Krita setup. After that, restart Krita and let the plugin rebuild everything from scratch. In many cases, this clean reinstall fixes the problem immediately. If the plugin still fails after that, double check that your internet connection is stable, your antivirus is not blocking the download, and that you have enough free disk space for the full installation. Since this plugin relies on several Python and AI-related components, even one interrupted download can trigger code 2. So to quickly recap, if Krita error code 2 appears during rendering, try changing the video container from MP4 to MKV, and keep the export settings at a normal resolution like 1920 by 1080. If it happens with AI Diffusion, make sure you have enough storage, then delete the broken AI_diffusion or miniconda environment and restart Krita for a fresh install. I hope this helped you fix Krita error codes too. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Krita error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.